Good morning, all of you. Today, I would like to discuss with you about the story How the Cat Became. This is the story which we already read in our class, but still some confusion is there. How the cat became. So, in this story, we came across a cat who lives in a forest with all the animals. But this cat was not happy with his life, as he feels that he is for composing music only. He used to play violin in the night and he never contributes in any of the work, which created a panic response in all the animals. And soon, these all animals, moles, weasels, spiders, magpie, jay, parrot, they all were having a committee. In that committee, they decided that they are going to poke this cat because she is not contributing in any of the single work. And this cat, he was adamant. He was not ready to contribute because his passion for music and for playing violin was innate. So one day what happened? That when magpie, jay and parrot keep on poking the cat, cat decided that she is going to run from the forest, and she did the same. These all animals followed the cat till the edge of the forest. But after that, this cat, instead of stopping itself, entered in the big field and banged tightly on the door. To its surprise, a man came out and he asked, "What do you want?" And cat said, "I am searching for a job." Well, on seeing the claws of the cat, the man was ready to hire him as a rat mouse catcher. Now the cat was quite happy as he got milk, meat, and place near a firehouse to sleep. So the duty hours are in the night, and in the morning she can do whatever she wants, or maybe she can sleep. Well, this was the lifestyle for which cat was exactly searching for. So when she went in the pantry, he came across a number of mouse and rat. He sat there for a while, and later on he found that some of them were themselves coming to him. He started catching them. He worked for the first 10 minutes, and later on he played violin. Soon, when other farmers came to know that in this manner this man is getting a lot of profits, they also started hiring our cats. And soon this cat has given invitation to all the cats and formed a string band. Now their life was quite different. First 10 minutes in the night they used to work, and after that they used to play violin, they dance, they sing, they party, and they do whatever they want. And in the morning they used to lap their milk and take rest. So that's how, when we challenge ourselves, we also can do something new in our life, and obviously we can prove ourselves. Hope you understand. Thank you.